Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you see, I'm standing by the bug. At this point, the bug is just about ready to come off of the pan. I'm going to drop a photo of the rendering of what you guys are going to help me build out of this 1970 bug. Going to be impressed. I'm very excited about it, and it's going to be cool, and it's going to be a hot rod. I appreciate you guys hanging with me. I'm 90% hot rod, but I love air-cooled cars, Porsches, Volkswagens, and just about anything with four wheels, as you'll know. So let's see what we've got to do today. It all starts by safely jacking up the vehicle and sliding. Now the body is ready to come off of the chassis on these, but you can see I've got it secured on all of my stands. This will allow me to get up underneath it, disconnect what I need to disconnect, and we'll start taking this little thing apart. Stripping it down. It is ready to come off of the pan so that we can put new pans in it, pull the engine, start the engine build, brand new 100% everything, twin carbureted. Heck, we may even put a turbo on this thing. But I got to take off the fenders, the running boards, and a few of the other accessories before we can pull it off the pan. But right now, I'm using metric tools, and I'm not used to using metric tools. I'm a hot rod guy, and always will be, but I've always had a passion for these old Volkswagens and Porsches, and all of a sudden, I got the opportunity to start working on some of that stuff, so I'm really kind of enjoying it. And I say that now, but ask me. I get this fender off, I might go ahead and get that gas tank out of here. I try to keep all the gas tanks and everything outside. It needs 100% everything, just like you would do roadworthy nice high-end restoration. So, looking forward to that. It's still got a little bit of gas in it. It's gonna be a neat little adventure. And we just we're gonna learn a lot of stuff together. But I sure do need you guys' help. So if you love Volkswagens, love hot riding, love talking about cars. So it made it a little easier getting the wiring undone, is because somebody else has already messed with it in the past. Now I won't be reusing this wiring harness, but I would like to know what went where. And I've taken pictures before I started disassembling. But the wire that I cut from where it was nutted on to the other wire, I put it back where it was. I won't be looking for this stuff later, so bag and tag, keep it sorted out. Alright, got the cinder out. The reason I did that is so I can get the gas out. There it goes. Beats having to suck through that tube, huh? All right. That wasn't all of it. But it sure filled that jug up fast. All right, I want to show you guys this. Pull this from my old drum out back. I have used this thing for probably 20 years. But this is a siphon tube. It's got a little brass check ball or check valve here with a marble inside, a glass marble. And it's kind of stiff. But put one end in gas or any kind of liquid, and the other end down in beats having to suck through that tube, huh? Well, folks, those four fenders kicked my butt, not to mention the bolts in the rear bumper. But managed to get it all done, get them all off, and now this body is ready to lift. Next video on this car, we're going to be building a dolly. We're going to get the body up in the air and get the chassis down on the ground. Start doing a lot of bagging and tagging and getting this thing prepared to be blown completely apart. A lot of you guys have been asking about t-shirts. We've got them.
Well, what should have taken just a few minutes.
So if you want one of the world famous
taking quite a bit of
Spanky
time.
Hot and Customs t-shirt,
But I got the bolts loose finally. We got the back bumper
go
on.
on our website,
And now
Spanky'sHotRideAndCustoms.com.
I've got to gain access to
Follow the links, get you a t-shirt.
the rest of the rear
There'll be a
bolts
link in the description
on the
with
rear
this video.
portions of the
And if
fender.
you've got
So
a
I need to
smartphone,
remove the oil
just
cans
ask Siri
and
to find
get out. So let's see what we can do.
Spanky'sHotRideAndCustoms.com. Follow the prompts, order you a t-shirt, support the channel. We sure appreciate it. Occasionally we give out free t-shirts to subscribers. We just pick them randomly.
All right,
to you,
got the other front
and
fender
we do that
off.
as often as we can.
Gas tank's
It
out.
does get expensive on our end to do that, so
And the rear fender's off.
for those of you
So
that buy
we got
a
one more
t-shirt,
rear
we
fender to go.
appreciate it.
And
But as always,
the
if you're
running
through
boards.
watching, get out in the garage and go build something. You see you on the next video.